Using the new diagnostic chart to help in diagnosing, fill out the form, date, tech, unit, service order, model, and serial. Record your ambient, your freezer, your fresh food temperature. Are there inverter codes? Are there any fault codes? Record your amperage and your voltage of your compressor, and then you can go to your wire schematic, find out where your sensors are located. You can go connector 207, measure your refrigerator sensor. You can actually measure your voltage, 2.4. You can go to your chart, and 2.4 volts should be roughly 41 degrees. We have an actual temperature of 37. That tells us our sensor is very close.